Thanks, Mike. There's a lot of mixed feelings about AI tools in creative work. There's a survey that showed 56% of creatives are curious about AI tools, while 36% think it's overhyped. And one of the biggest concerns is that these AI tools aren't really built for creatives. We hear it all the time. This AI tools is for simple, non-creative work. We don't need AI. We've always done it this way and it works. And I get it. Most of us have spent years mastering our tools, perfecting our craft, building workflows that actually work. We didn't put in all that time just to hand over our work to automation. We take pride in the details, the process, the creative decisions. But the reality is, not every part of creative work is actually creative. A huge chunk of our time goes into things like brainstorming, revisions, resizing, asset management, all the redundant work that doesn't require deep creative thinking. And that's where AI can actually help. I remember spending hours rotoscoping in After Effects. Now, an AI tool can do it in seconds. And how about resizing videos? Just a few years ago, turning a 16 by 9 video into vertical for social was an editor's worst nightmare. Now, AI powered tools can do it instantly. AI isn't about replacing your creativity, it's about giving us back time. Time to experiment, time to refine your ideas, and time to focus on the work that actually makes an impact. So, what can creatives gain from AI tools right now? There's a lot of benefits, but here are my top three takeaways: more ideas, less burnout. AI adds data to the brainstorming process, helping teams come up with ideas that are both creative and practical. It speeds up brainstorming, prototyping, and iterations so teams can explore more options in less time. Generative AI can quickly create multiple design variations, allowing teams to test and refine ideas in minutes instead of days. Less redundant work, more efficiency. AI handles resizing, formatting, and bulk edits instantly. It frees up time for high value creative work while taking care of routine content needs. It makes repurposing easy. No more starting from scratch. Number three, smarter collaboration and better decisions. AI analyzes audience data to uncover preferences, trends, and behaviors, helping teams create more relevant content. It provides centralized tools for sharing assets and keeping branding consistent, reducing miscommunications. AI powered project management tools track progress, send deadline reminders, and even predict delays, helping teams stay on top of their work. Not every AI tool is created equal. And yes, some just aren't built for creatives. The key is understanding what they actually do and what they don't, and testing them yourself to see if they are a good fit into your current workflow. I also pay attention to whether big brands are using them, because if they are, that AI tool is solid enough for professional work. For me, the right AI tool is always the one that helps my team create things smarter and faster.